Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll guide you through how to open and fund a Roth IRA with Betterment, a modern platform for automated investing. If you're looking to save for retirement with tax advantages, this is the perfect starting point. Let's get into it. Sign up or log into Betterment. Visit Betterment's website or download the app, then create an account if you're new. Existing users can log into their profile and navigate to the retirement accounts section. Select Roth IRA as your account type. From the dashboard, choose to open a new account and select Retirement as the category. Pick Roth IRA based on your eligibility and financial goals. Provide personal information. Betterment will ask for details like your income, age, and marital status to ensure eligibility for a Roth IRA. They'll also use this information to tailor their investment recommendations. Choose your investment goals. Betterment offers goal-based investing. Indicate that this Roth IRA is for retirement savings, and the platform will recommend a diversified portfolio based on your timeline and risk tolerance. Link a funding source. Connect your bank account to Betterment for easy transfers. You can set up either a one-time deposit or recurring contributions, ensuring you stay consistent with your retirement savings plan. Fund your Roth IRA. Enter the amount you'd like to contribute. Remember, the annual contribution limit for Roth IRAs is subject to IRS guidelines. Currently $6,500 or $7,500 if you're 50 or older. Review and confirm. Double-check all the details, including the account type, funding amount, and investment portfolio. Once satisfied, confirm to officially open and fund your Roth IRA. Monitor and adjust. Use Betterment's intuitive interface to track your Roth IRA's performance. Over time, you can rebalance your portfolio or adjust contributions to align with your evolving financial goals. Opening a Roth IRA with Betterment is a smart and seamless way to secure your financial future. Have you started saving with a Roth IRA? Share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tutorials. See you in the next one.